morning my dear students, welcome again. In this video, we people are going to discuss your another conducting element and that is your phloem. Dear students, in your last videos we have seen your xylem, right? If I am talking about xylem, then this is a conducting tissue which conducts water, or simply I can say as sap. Now what is sap? Sap is nothing but water which have dissolved minerals. Am I clear? Okay. So dear students, if I am talking about transport in xylem, तो xylem में जो transport होता है वो unidirectional होता है. Unidirectional in the sense what? You very well know that what is the source of water for plants? What is the source? It's the soil. Yes or no? Yes. सॉइल में कौन सी चीज प्रेजेंट होती है, कौन सा पार्ट प्रेजेंट होता है प्लांट्स का? इज योर रूट्स. तो ऑफ कोर्स roots are going to absorb water and from this root it is transported to different parts of plant. Yes or no? Yes. And thus I can say that transport in xylem is unidirectional from root to different parts of plant. Simple as that, right dear students? This xylem comes under your complex tissue. Phloem also comes under your complex tissue. Now what is this complex tissue mean? आपको अच्छे से पता है. I'm just revising. It consists of more than one type of cell which functions as a single unit. जैसा we people have seen in case of your xylem that it consists of क्या क्या चीज? Tracheids, vessels, xylem fibers and xylem parenchyma. Am I clear? Tracheids are present in gymnosperms and pteridophytes. Vessels are unique feature of angiosperms, right? Dear students, in tracheids जो outer wall होती है, it is having circular outline. But if we will see the tracheids internally, it shows different thickenings. Type of thickening मैंने आपको अच्छे से समझाए थे. It may be annular, right? Reticulate, scleriform, petad, spiral. Correct? These are the thickening which is exhibited by inner wall of tracheids. The purpose is to provide mechanical strength, mechanical support. Am I clear? Okay. Vessels are unique feature of flowering plants. Am I clear? Then we have discussed your xylem parenchyma जो कि क्या store करता है? Food, that is starch and fat, responsible for lateral conduction of water. Lateral का मतलब होता है sidewise conduction of water, and for this which cell I told? Yes, it's your ray parenchyma. And if you are talking about fibers, sclerenchymatous fibers होते हैं. Again the purpose is to provide mechanical support. So this is what we people have discussed in your last 3 videos. Am I clear? So xylem we people have completed. Now we are going to discuss your another complex tissue which consists of more than one type of cell which functions as a unit. Dear students, what is the function of phloem? Phloem का function क्या है? आपको अच्छे से पता है. Yes, the function of phloem, okay, is to transport. वो क्या transport करता है? Transport organic food. Yes or no? Transfers or transport organic food which is prepared by the process of photosynthesis. By the process of photosynthesis. Dear students, we very well know the process of photosynthesis, right? Whereby plants are going to use atmospheric carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight. Plants are going to prepare food. What is this? This is your carbohydrate, right? You people have understood the same in biomolecule. Plus, there will be release of oxygen as a byproduct. ये process आपको अच्छे से पता है. बचपन से आप इसको पढ़ते चले आ रहे हो, right? So, the carbohydrate which is prepared by leaves, specifically leaves के अंदर chloroplast have chlorophyll pigment, right? And with the help of this pigment खाना बना. as an organic food. Am I clear? Organic का मतलब क्या होता है? The compound which is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Sometimes it can be on nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur too. But basically जो compound में carbon, hydrogen, oxygen हो, that compounds are called as organic. ठीक है? That compounds are called as organic. तो phloem का काम है क्या? Simple as that, to transport organic substance from one part to another part. Am I clear, dear students? जैसे मैंने आपको xylem के बारे में बोला, it's unidirectional. Yes or no? तो if I want to say something about phloem transport, तो transport is bidirectional. How is the transport? It's bidirectional, right? Now the question comes in your mind that leaves are going to prepare food. Leaves से ही root तक पहुंचता है. Yes or no? Yes. Definitely this is true. But in case of, say for example, early springs where leaves are in bird form, लीव्स कौन से फॉर्म में है? बर्ड फॉर्म में है, तो फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं कर पाएंगे. उनको एनर्जी चाहिए ग्रोथ के लिए. एनर्जी इन द सेंस फूड, राइट? ये फूड आता कहां से है? दिस फूड, डियर स्टूडेंट्स, comes from the food which is stored in roots. Which is stored in roots. Am I clear? So during certain conditions, during certain season, root transport food to young leaves of plant. Am I clear? So I can say transport is bidirectional. Leaves से root तक तो पहुंचता ही है, लेकिन जब leaves को जरूरत होती है in early spring, as I told, it is in bird form, cannot perform efficient photosynthesis. I can say they require food, they require energy. कहां से मिली? From the food stored in roots. Am I clear? तो यहाँ पे transport कहां से कहां हुआ? From root to, yes, leaves. Am I clear? And so it is bidirectional. Am I clear? Okay. Now this phloem, right? This phloem is also called as your bast. Phloem is also called as your bast, or it is also called as your base. Am I clear? It is phloem. उसका another name क्या है? Bast, or it is said as your base. Am I clear? So ये आपको याद रखना है. These are the other nicknames I can say of your phloem. Yes, and like I told you, the conducting elements. Like I told you, the conducting elements of xylem. क्या बोला था हमने? हेंड्रोम ऐसा कुछ बोला था, गिवन बाय हेबरलैंड. यस और नो? वैसे ही द कंडक्टिंग एलिमेंट of phloem, bast or base, according to Haberland, it is called as your lactome. What it is said? It is said as your lactome. Am I clear? These are the conducting elements. ये conducting elements हैं. Now let us understand the cells which constitutes your phloem, right? So first one is your, here I am writing, is your sieve tube. Second one is your companion cell. Third and fourth remains same. Phloem parenchyma. Xylem में क्या था? Xylem parenchyma था. And fourth one is your phloem fibers. Am I clear? So dear students, ये क्या है? These are the components of phloem, I can say. It consists of your sieve tube, companion cell, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Am I clear? Okay. Dear students, now this phloem, depending on origin, can be classified into two categories. Yes, can be classified into two categories. ठीक है? The one which is formed early in life of plant. Early in life of plant, this is called as your primary. This is called as your primary phloem. What it is said? Primary phloem मतलब हमने वो पढ़ा था प्राइमरी मेरिस्टेम, यस, एंड सेकेंडरी मेरिस्टेम. सो प्राइमरी मेरिस्टेम से जो फ्लोएम बना, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज योर प्राइमरी फ्लोएम, एंड विच अपीयर्स later in life of plant, that is due to lateral cambium, that is due to lateral, I mean to say secondary meristem. Yes or no? That is secondary or lateral meristem, ऐसा मैंने आपको बोला था. That results in secondary growth. तो उस टाइप पे जो फ्लोएम बने, that phloem is called as secondary phloem. What it is said, my dear students? It is said as your secondary phloem. Am I clear? Dear students, primary phloem which forms early, primary phloem में जो पहले बने, and one which forms later are called as your protophlloem, and this is called as your metaphlloem. ये आपको अच्छे से पता है. We people have already discussed it. The same in case of your xylem. Primary xylem, secondary xylem, primary xylem which forms early, protoxylem ऐसा बोला था, which forms later are metaxylem. वैसे ही यहाँ पे भी primary phloem which forms early, protophlloem which forms later, metaphlloem. Am I clear? Okay. Dear students, in this video we will be discussing these two components. So first I am writing your, this is your phloem parenchyma. ठीक है? We are going to discuss phloem fibers and phloem parenchyma in this video. So dear students, if I am talking about your phloem parenchyma, then they are nothing but your simple living cells, है ना? These are living cells जिनका फंक्शन होता है क्या? टू स्टोर फूड. Apart from food, they may store resin, okay, mucilage, okay, they may even store latex. Am I clear? Once again, these are your living cells, right? Responsible for storage of food, as we have discussed in xylem. Xylem में भी इसका function storage of food ही था. To be more specific, starch and fats. यहाँ पे it stores resin, it stores mucilage, and it stores latex. Am I clear? Okay, dear students, if I am talking about your phloem parenchyma, so they are responsible for slow conduction of food. मतलब यहाँ पे conduction of food slow होता है, especially lateral in the sense especially sidewise. Am I clear? So this point is very much important. मैंने क्या बोला? phloem parenchyma, slow conduction of food specially sidewise. Okay, xylem parenchyma में क्या पढ़ा था? They are responsible for lateral conduction. Yes or no? यहाँ पे lateral conduction, sidewise conduction कैसा होता है बच्चों? It's slow. Am I clear? And one more important point, ये जो phloem parenchyma है, this phloem parenchyma is absent in monocots. Most important point, मैंने क्या लिखा यहाँ पे? It is absent in monocots and some herbaceous dicots. Am I clear? So this point is very much important. This is the base for your MCQ. Am I clear? So मैंने ये बोला, this phloem parenchyma is absent in monocotyledonous plants and some herbaceous dicotyledonous plants. Am I clear? So dear students, ये बहुत छोटा सा है, right? आपका phloem parenchyma. Now we are going to understand your second one, that is your phloem fibers, or it is called as your bast fibers. ठीक है? So dear students, if I am talking about your phloem or bast fibers, right, then the sclerenchymatous fibers. Once again, what I am writing, sclerenchymatous fibers of phloem are called as phloem fiber or bast fiber. Am I clear? One point you people have to memorize is that these bast fibers are absent in, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, are absent in primary phloem, are absent in primary phloem. Am I clear? So this point is important one, absent in monocots and herbaceous dicots. ठीक है? तो चलो यहाँ पे वापस से आ जाओ. Bast fiber are absent in primary phloem, but they are most abundant. They are most abundant in secondary phloem. They are most abundant in secondary phloem. Am I clear, my dear students? Yes. अब आप लिख लो, ये जो fibers है, it may occurs in sheaths or cylinder. Okay, it may occurs in, here I am writing sheath, it may occur in sheaths or cylinders. मतलब shape के बारे में यहाँ पे बोला गया है. Dear students, the textile fibers, most important है ये, the textile fibers of flax, right, hemp and jute, these are phloem fibers. jute की बैग आपको वो पता होगा, jute, yes or no? Yes. वो jute की बैग किससे बनी है? It is made up of phloem fibers. Am I clear? So dear students, these are the textile fibers, I mean to say which is commercialized fibers, right, of hemp, flax, jute. These are the phloem fibers which are commercialized. Am I clear? So dear students, in this video we people have discussed some general term. Leptome are called as are the name given to conducting elements. कौन कंडक्टिंग एलिमेंट्स है? ये दोनों है, sieve, tube and companion cell. Am I clear? These are very much important point. Okay, sieve, tube, companion cell. In this video we people have discussed your phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Phloem fibers are also called as your bast fibers. Okay, so dear students, I hope you understood this video really very well. Thank you. See you soon.